Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm and today's Tàijíquán Tip. I am of course Stephen Watson. I have a fresh coat of snow that fell last night and had a chance to walk around and observe the animal tracks in the freshly fallen snow and put into mind this idea of practicing my form. I think this would work best in a form rather than a warm up or perhaps even drill. But as I go through my form, I am leaving an echo of my places. I'm leaving tracks, if you will. On a floor with slippers, probably not any physical tracks that are going to be easy to ascertain. But I can consciously remember where my feet are. And as I step through my form, and this is your tip for today, is to maintain a sort of geometric awareness of where you have been in relation to where you are stepping now. Often we sort of discard our past as we drive to the future and maybe maintain a sense of the present. And even though I intellectually know I was over there earlier in the form and now I'm over here, I may not relate to it with the same ease that I might if I had left footprints. So you can certainly practice this if it's easier to visualize in actual snow or sand or mud or something like that, where your footsteps remain physically. And then as I practice, I can kind of see that. So sometimes it's an aesthetic enjoyment. Sometimes it's an opportunity to improve, like, oh wow, I shifted too far to the left, and now that I can see that in relationship. And other times it's really just more kind of psychologically, emotionally, energetically interesting to me to stay related to where I had been and what I had been doing there as I go through my practices. So good luck with that, and try to remember that whatever else you do, you are your teacher's footsteps. Thanks. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.